Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today guys I'm gonna make you guys some sweet and sour chicken breast. So that's the chicken breast that I have there guys. These are all the seasoning that I will be using. You have all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and you also have chili powder. Hi guys, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna season up my chicken breast. So that's 1 scoop of the chicken seasoning, 1 scoop of the all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoonful of the chili powder, and this is the black pepper and the garlic powder, and this is half a teaspoonful. Hi guys, so this is how my chicken breast look after I finish seasoning it. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna make my butter. Hi guys, so that's my flour there for my butter that I'll be making right now. Is plain flour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also gonna add around a teaspoonful of the black pepper. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna add some water. So that's my flour there guys for my butter. I'm just mixing it. Should just look as if you're making a pancake. Just continue to mix it so there is no lump. Leave back. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt in there, because I tasted it and it was a bit fresh, so I had just a tiny bit of salt. Alright guys, so my butter is all finished. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna add my chicken breast to the butter. Alright guys, so what I did, I just put some vegetable oil in my pot. It's well hot. I do not measure it guys, but make sure you put enough oil in there so your meat will be covered in the oil. But that's how mine look. Alright guys, so my oil is well hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add some of my chicken breasts to the oil. So I'm just gonna leave them guys to fry and 5 minutes on each side. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly turn them over. So that's how it look guys after I finish turning. As you can see, it's all golden and all brown. Alright guys, so it's all finished now. So so I'm just gonna remove them. Hi guys, so I finished fry all of my chicken breast. So this is how it look. It's quite a lot. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna make my sweet and sour sauce. Hi guys, so this is all my vegetable that I have for my sauce. You have sweet pepper, you have ginger, you have onions, and you have spring onions. Hi guys, so I'm just gonna make my sauce now. So I'm just gonna put some ketchup in my pot. I'm gonna use some soy sauce, and I'm also gonna use some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper. Alright guys, so I'm also gonna add some lemon in there. The lemon give it the sourness, but this is totally optional, but I tried before and it worked. You got some lemon seed in there. I'm gonna have to take that out right now. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna add some hot water, not a lot. So that's how it looks so far guys. You can always taste it to see if you whether you're sweet, really sweet. I don't need mine really sweet, just right, you know, if you know what I'm saying. You just continue to stir it guys. I'm gonna taste it guys, okay? That's perfect. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it on the stove. Alright guys, so it's on the stove now. So when it comes to a boil guys, I'll add all my vegetables. Alright guys, so it's come to a boil now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all my vegetables. So I'm just adding my chicken guys. Hi guys, so this is how it look. I add all my chicken. Guys, this looks so delicious. I'm telling you guys, you guys can just do this at your home 10 times better than the one at the Chinese shop. So I'm just gonna allow it guys for at least 5 minutes, then I'll just plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it look on the plate. Hi guys, so this is how my sweet and sour chicken look on the plate. I'm having mine with plain rice basmati. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe for many other videos. Until next time, bye.